Avion Finance is a third-generation Rebase token with their booster NFTs, a hyper-deflationary tokenomics, stable price action, and real passive income. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about a month since I've last uploaded. I've just been taking a bit of a break. Obviously, the markets have been down. I've been focusing on my portfolio, just spending more time with family and my girlfriend, and just sorting my life out a little bit and just wanting to get back into the grind of YouTube now. So that's what I'm going to be doing, get back into the grind, be bringing you guys more and better videos. I'll be probably making a separate video or a live stream later on, maybe this week. And I'm just going to go talk for you guys with some stuff that I'll be doing with this channel. So we're talking about Avion Finance today, guys. It is actually generally a really exciting project. It is a Rebase token, but they are doing so many different things to all the previous Rebase tokens before it, like Titano, Sphere, which Sphere isn't a Rebase token anymore, but there was. You've got like Seifu. They are absolutely different. Avion are trying to change the game and change the way Rebase tokens work. So guys, how does Avion work? Avion is an innovative DAS and NFT protocol that brings benefit and value to both Avion and Avion holders through the governance of the protocol and future protocol innovations and the accumulation of tokens through our rebasing mechanisms. Avion offers a market-fixed APY of 5,000%. So with it being 5,000%, it's a lot more stable than having like 1,000,000%, 500,000%, even 100,000%. So 5,000% is a lot easier to manage. Of course, it's still an insane amount of APR and APY. But if you are one of those guys who love the insane 1 million APY, the 500,000 APY, these also have you covered with what they have with their NFTs, which we'll be talking about later on in this video. While holders of both the Avion NFT and Avion tokens have APYs ranging from 99,999% all the way to 399,999%. Holders of Avion NFTs will have their APY automatically boosted when both the NFT and tokens are held in the wallet. NFTs will also have a fully tradable on the secondary marketplace or bought back using the treasury, thus incurring a no sunk cost investment. We will implement a priority NFT marketplace shortly after launch. So basically, if you do buy this NFT, you are not losing any money because they'll have a buyback with the treasury if you decide not to want it anymore, or you can sell it on to someone, maybe your friend, family member, or just some random guy who is interested in Avion. One thing that did stand out about Avion to me is they have a KYC with CertiK already. They've already got the certificate, they've got it all covered here. If you want to go on their white paper, all links will be down below, Discord, website, white paper, all of it. And you can see here they had their audit approved on the 3rd of June 2022. So that was about over a month ago now. So plenty of time where it's been around, it's been audited, it's all been secured, all safe and sound from CertiK. And they are currently working with Mod Society to get a KYC just from them as well, which is really cool to see. And if you don't know, Mod Society is their own KYC company. So Mod Society, if you look it up, you can find out all the information about them. So a lot of you guys are probably thinking this sounds pretty interesting. A third generation Rebase protocol. How is it sustainable? Well, let's talk about that right now. With the rise and fall of many Rebase token projects out there, we at Avion have been blessed with the opportunity to learn from the mistakes of other DeFi projects in this space. Avion has many mechanisms from the launch that will help keep it sustainable for many, many months to come. Most importantly, using the treasury, unlike anything you've seen in the Rebase token space, which will help sustain price using a liquidity manager model, much like Hordes, and buying back and burning tokens. And if you guys haven't heard of Horde before, they are an awesome project and their price has been very, very sustainable, as you guys can see on my screen right now. So I'm just looking at the Horde price chart right now, guys, and you can see since it came out on the 25th of March, this is what CoinGecko can register if this is the launch day, you can see it's been pretty stable since the beginning of it. Yes, it's had a bit of a pump. Yes, it's gone down a little bit, but only by about $10 to $12 either way, which is insane to see. You can see here the lowest is about $99. And it came out about $104 on CoinGecko's chart here, which is absolutely insane. And it's been a good couple of months now, and the fact that it's been this stable throughout a bear market, incredible. Just to stop you guys there just for 1 second, if you guys do enjoy my content, I really appreciate if you guys would hit the subscribe button and like button. I know I haven't been uploading too much recently, but I'm going to get it back in the game, and I want you guys to be part of my crypto journey and my NFT journey. So much love, guys. I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys in the video. Moreover, our burn rates are higher than any other Rebase token in the space, and we will be burning tokens to help keep inflation to a minimum, thus ensuring passive income to the investor. The use of the NFTs in Avion Finance Protocol will also serve as an added incentive for token holders to not dump because of the additional capital invested. Additionally, future innovations that are to come in the months from launch, such as Avion Bank, will further ensure protocol health and sustainability for the long term. And if this is something you guys want to check out and do more research on, links down below, but they are actually currently going through their sales right now. You can actually invest into this project early on today, right now, by going to their website. They've got a DApp all made already. You can go on there, you can mint NFTs if you want to mint one. You can also go on their pre-sale and add as many as you want here. If you want 10 Avion tokens, it's going to cost you 5 BUSD. If you want 100, it's going to cost you 50 BUSD. All you have to do is go onto their DApp. You can find the link at app.avion.finance/presale, and you can invest in this project if you like. It is on the BNB Smart Chain, so keep that in mind when you are investing in this project. And always make sure to do your own research on this type of stuff, because it is very risky right now with this bear market. If they are planning to do something like Horde, and if they are introducing these NFTs where it will increase your APY by like 100,000%, is absolutely incredible. And if they can keep it exactly like Horde's chart, where it's just stable for months, there is some money to be made here, 100% money to be made here. You maybe buy an NFT and also maybe put $1,000 into their pre-sale example. You could really earn some money just by holding the token for like maybe 3 months, 6 months, however long you want to hold. What I personally will probably be doing is I'll probably be getting one of their NFTs. Hopefully I'll get maybe the rarest one that gives me the highest APY, maybe putting like $250 in, and just see how it goes, and maybe update you guys in like about 3 months time, maybe even a month, just to see how things have been in the last 30 days. So guys, this is Avion Finance. I'm glad to be back on this channel. This was a sponsored video, just so you know. That doesn't stop me liking this project. I was already going to make a video for these guys, and I reached out to their team saying, oh, I want to know more about your project, etc, etc, and he reached out to me about if I would like a promotion as well. So that was absolutely amazing that he wanted to sponsor this video. So thank you so much, Avion Finance, for reaching out and wanting to sponsor this. I really do look forward to seeing this project succeed. I really hope it can during this difficult time in crypto. It is so difficult. The amount of projects I've seen and invested in the past month that haven't made it is devastating. But the fact that you guys have some sustainable methods that you want to keep, the fact that you've got this insane APY only if you have NFTs, is a great way to generate some income for the treasury, as well as bring in something for the investors. So I do really hope you guys can pull it off, and I think you will. Alright guys, I'm Terry, and I hope you did enjoy today's content. I know it's been about a month since I last posted some content, but I really want to get back into the grind of YouTube. I love it so much. I've been speaking to Austin Clark, a good friend Brent, and they've been encouraging me to get back into the game because I do enjoy it. And I am starting my own NFT in crypto project, which I'll leave a link down below. It is the Rebellion project, so make sure to check that out as well. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.